This is Gordon Gekko, a very familiar character when it comes to making money. We've probably all seen the movie Wall Street. We might watch shows called Billions. This is the typical depiction of what we normally think about when it comes to trading. This is me, trading in a coffee shop while my baby is sleeping on me. What we see and hear when it comes to money making is so far removed from what it's really like. So if you have a bit of money saved and we've done what we're supposed to do and we want to actually grow some wealth, many of us are trying to hit that other very traditional notion of what it's like to be in the market. The notion that's actually more appropriate for institutional investing or people who already have millions of dollars trying to make more. Depictions of average people are few and far between. Most of us are probably handing our money over to financial institutions because this is often what we're told to do. And when we do that, that's fine for some, but unfortunately, we don't really get to see what they do. We definitely don't get to learn how to do it. And many of us don't even know the questions we should be asking about why are they making the decisions that they are. And I don't think that this is really right. Many of us don't even realize that we actually have the technology to be able to log into your cell phone or your laptop and to be able to trade at any point in time during the day. When it comes to the markets or the ability to make more money, this can be actually very achievable for most of us. But we need to stop trying to make the millions of dollars and risk it all and start realizing that this is a skill that any of us can do at any point in time. We need to take some of the skill sets that kids already learn. So think about something like compare and contrast, or sorting for that matter. Kindergarten, they're starting to learn how to sort things and build patterns. Those are skills that actually I use in the market every single day. I also want you to know that I am not a certified financial planner. I do not have an MBA, nor do I have a business degree. I am an average person. And when it comes to making money, I am no more capable at this than you are. Home Depot brought do-it-yourself construction projects to the masses with the tagline, "We can show you how." We need something like this for money-making skills too, for average people. We need to start seeing depictions in media and entertainment that are actually more realistic and focused on what most of us can do with all of this. We need to stop idealizing these very fantasized versions of trading in the market and realizing that this can be appropriate for all of us.
The new law of evolution in corporate America seems to be survival of the unfittest. Well, in my book, you either do it right or you get eliminated.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho.